Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to view a customer's transaction history in QuickBooks. Whether you're managing invoices, payments, or just want a clear picture of a customer's financial activity, QuickBooks makes it simple once you know where to look. Stick with me till the end because I'll show you 3 different ways to do this, so you can pick the method that fits your needs best. Let's start with the most direct option, the transaction list by customer report. From your QuickBooks dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Reports. In the search bar at the top, type Transaction List by Customer and select it from the results. This report is designed to give you a detailed breakdown of all transactions associated with your customers. Before running it, you'll want to customize it. At the top of the report, click the Customize button. From here, set your report period, for example, last month, this year, or even a custom date range. You can also apply filters, such as narrowing it down by transaction type, like invoices, payments, or credit memos. Once you've set everything up, click Run Report, and you'll instantly see a clean list of transactions organized by customer. Now, if you need a more comprehensive history of all account activity, not just transactions, you can use the Audit Log. To get there, head to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. That's your settings. From the drop-down, select Audit Log. Here you'll see a timeline of actions taken within your QuickBooks account. To avoid information overload, click the Filter button. You can choose a specific date range, activity type, or even the user who made the changes. Once you apply the filters, QuickBooks will show you exactly the history you're looking for. And finally, if you just want a quick look at one customer's recent activity, you can go directly through the Customers page. On the left menu, click Sales, then select Customers. Choose the customer you want to review, and QuickBooks will open their profile. Here you'll see a list of their transactions, and you can filter that list further to pinpoint exactly what you need. So, to recap, use the transaction list by customer report for detailed transaction records, the audit log for a broader account-wide view, and the customers page for a quick look at individual activity. And that's it. With these 3 methods, you'll always be able to keep track of customer transactions and ensure your records stay accurate. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop any questions you have in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.